Welcome viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Metal Decor, Metal Craft and Design. Today in this video we are exploring scrap wood projects that would sell very easily, and you can do it at your home with small efforts, and you can turn your small scraps of wood into profitable and stunning works of art. In this video, we will explore a variety of creative, inspiring DIY small scrapwood projects that not only unleash your creativity but also have the potential to sell. From rustic home decor to functional accessories, these projects will not only help you make the most of your scrapwood but also generate income from your craftsmanship. Popular DIY small scrapwood project idea is creating rustic wooden signs. By combining small wood pieces and arranging them into unique shapes, you can design custom design signs with inspirational quotes, funny sayings, or personalized messages. Add a touch of paint or stain to enhance the rustic charm, and you will have a decorative piece that can be sold as well as art or used as a personal gift. Another exciting project is crafting wooden coasters or trivets. By cutting small wood pieces into circular or square shapes and sanding them to smooth finish, you can create functional and stylish coasters that protect surfaces from heat and moisture. Add a layer of varnish or sealant to enhance durability, and you will have a set of small but highly useful items that are perfect for selling or gifting. If you have a knack for woodworking and intricate designs, consider creating wooden jewelry by cutting small wood pieces into unique shapes, sanding them to perfections, and adding decorative elements such as beads or metal essence. You can craft beautiful and one-of-a-kind necklaces, earrings, or bracelets. These wooden jewelry pieces not only showcase your woodworking skills but also appeal to customers seeking unique and sustainable accessories. For those with a passion for gardening, you can make small scrap wood can be transferred into charming planters or succulent holders. By combining different wood pieces and creating simple box shapes, you can design mini planters that are perfect for small succulents or herbs. Paint or stain them in vibrant colors or leave them natural for a rustic look. These wooden planters are not only popular among plant lovers but also make great gifts or decorative items. When working with small scrap wood for your DIY project, it's important to have the right tools and safety equipment. You have to ensure you have a good set of woodworking tools, including saws, sandpapers, and wood glue. Take necessary precautions to protect yourself, such as wearing safety gloves, goggles, and working in well-ventilated area. I hope you will love these all designs. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for watching my video.